Hey there! Before we get started, let me show you something that will make you feel like a kid again. Have you ever stopped to wonder if someone could actually make a living talking about paper planes? I know what you're thinking. Can you really make an entire channel about folding pieces of paper and throwing them around? But believe it or not, this guy is crushing it and making a cool $8,000 every month. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm starting to rethink my career choices. And that's not all. There's another channel that's all about facts. Short, snappy videos that give you a little burst of knowledge, and they're making $200,000 per month doing it. Last but not least, there's a channel out there that's making bank by collecting memes from all around the world and turning them into short videos. This one's pulling in more than $200,000 a month. Are you tired of the same old boring ways to make money online? Well, get ready to shake things up. In this video, I'll reveal the secret to making money on YouTube Shorts with ChatGPT. And the best part? You don't need to show your face or even record your voice. With ChatGPT, you'll discover how to come up with endless video ideas and monetize your content in exciting new ways. If you've watched my previous videos, you already know what ChatGPT is. It's really gaining popularity and has so much potential to offer. I'm excited to share this video with you, which is going to be a game changer. So be sure to hit the like button and watch the entire video so you don't miss any of the action. And if you've already given it a thumbs up, then let's dive right into it. Starting February 1st, 2023, if you have a monetized YouTube channel, you can now earn money from the ads displayed in between the videos on the Shorts feed. This is a big win for content creators, as it means YouTube has surpassed all other short-form platforms and given you even more opportunity to earn revenue from your shorts. On TikTok, for example, 1 million views may only get you between $20 to $40 in earnings. However, with YouTube Shorts, you can earn hundreds of thousands of dollars for the same number of views. First, let me share with you an awesome channel called Daily Facts Worth that explores a unique niche in YouTube Shorts. They create short videos with fascinating facts you've probably never seen before on YouTube. The channel has been hugely successful with over 123 million views and earns around $65,000 each month. Even if you don't make that much, earning $5,000 or $10,000 per month from a single channel is still a great accomplishment. The key to success is consistency, and Daily Facts Worth has achieved this by consistently uploading around 5 to 6 videos every day for the past year and a half, totaling 3,000 videos. With the method I'll show you, you can create 30 to 40 short videos in the time it takes to make 1 or 2 long-form videos, depending on your channel type. If you stay consistent over a long period of time, you'll definitely see great results. Now that you've seen how effective this approach can be, let's take a closer look at the channel's videos. For example, they have a video called Girls Facts, which shares interesting facts about girls using simple text boxes. The background features stock footage, and there's viral music playing in the background, which is typical for short-form platforms. These videos are really easy to make and don't require voiceovers, which makes them a great option for beginners or anyone looking to simplify their content. If you're wondering how to come up with ideas for these videos, the best way is to use ChatGPT. First, take a look at the kinds of facts the Daily Facts Worth channel uses and create a list, such as girl fact, male fact, deep fact, psychology fact, and love fact. Then head over to chat.openai.com and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Now, once you're logged in, just give the AI a prompt like, write 5 short facts about these topics, and paste your list of topics. ChatGPT will then generate lots of cool ideas for your short videos, making the creative process so much easier. Awesome work! Now that you have 5 great facts for each topic, it's time to get started on your videos. Just copy and paste the facts into your document and use them as the foundation for your shorts. Each fact can serve as a segment for your video, giving you a clear structure to work with. Okay, now you've got your awesome video ideas, it's time to create some amazing content. There are tons of different video editors and softwares out there, but if you're looking for something easy to use, I highly recommend checking out Canva. Once you've created your account, head over to the home page and click on Create a Design. Search for YouTube Shorts and select it to get a portrait format. In the video editor, try looking for a calming background like a forest, water, hill, or clouds. Now, once you've found the perfect background, just add it to your video, resize it to fit the screen, and center it. Now, you're ready to make your short-form videos with interesting facts and a beautiful backdrop. Have fun creating, and don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas. Let's add some text to your video to make it even more interesting. First, choose a catchy heading like Girls Fact, or something that fits your video's topic. You can easily adjust the size and position of the text to make it stand out, and even add a background fill to make it more visually appealing. Next, add a text box for your fact and copy-paste the text from your document. Don't forget to adjust the size and positioning of the fact text box to match your heading. It's important to make sure that the text is readable for most viewers, so watch the video and adjust the display duration as needed. You can add more fact text boxes for the rest of the video, making sure to adjust the size and positioning to match the first one. But be careful not to make the text too large, as it might get caught off by other elements of the video. Now, once you've trimmed any excess and adjusted the duration, simply download your video and you're all set. Great! Now it's time to add some viral music to really make it stand out. To do this, you'll need to transfer your video to your phone, since the music is only available through the YouTube app on your phone. Once your video is on your phone, you can easily upload it to YouTube and add the music using the app. But first, make sure you've created a separate channel for your psychology or fact-based content. To create a YouTube short, just click the plus button at the bottom center of the screen and select Create Short. On the left side, choose your video. If your video is longer than 15 seconds, don't worry. You can easily adjust the duration by clicking the 15 in the upper right corner. And if your video is less than 15 seconds, you can proceed straight to adding sound. To add sound, just click the Add Sound option in the top center corner. You'll be able to monetize your YouTube shorts by using popular songs from awesome artists like Sia, Twisted, or Otilia. For example, if you're creating a Girls Fact video, you could try using Love Is Gone song to really grab your viewers' attention. Once you've selected your song, just click the check mark and then Next in the top right corner. That's it! You're all set to share your amazing short video with the world. To make your content more appealing to viewers, it's essential to come up with a unique and catchy title that stands out from other channels. A title like Girls Are More Likely Than Boys To can grab the viewer's attention and make them want to watch your content. Another way to engage with your audience is to ask them questions in your videos and encourage them to leave comments. Adding relevant hashtags like shorts and girls fact can help your videos reach a wider audience. Hey, wait. This is an exciting update from me, your future self. Just 12 hours after uploading my video, it already has 685 views on my example channel. That's amazing! If you check it out, you'll see that it has 21 likes and 4 comments. So I want to emphasize that what I've shared with you is working, and it's an opportunity that you shouldn't miss. Now, back to the video. It's also crucial to ensure that your content is appropriate for your intended audience. To do this, make sure that your videos are not marked as made for kids, and there are no age restrictions on comments. You can allow all comments or apply filters to moderate comments. Great job on creating your short video. Now, let's talk about how you can monetize your content. Aside from YouTube ad revenue, you can also explore affiliate marketing as a potential, more profitable option. With affiliate marketing, you can earn a commission by promoting a product through your unique referral link. To get started, we'll use maxweb.com, a free platform with a variety of products to choose from. Creating an account is easy. Just click on Affiliates. If MaxWeb is not available in your country, you can look for similar platforms like ClickBank or Digistore24. As you select products to promote, think about the different topics you cover in your videos, such as relationship psychology, facts for men, and girl facts. By doing this, you can promote different products to your audience based on the type of content you create. To create an affiliate link, just click on Apply to Promote. Once you have the link, you can go to bit.ly.com to shorten it and make it look more appealing. Now, go to your video on your channel and add a comment that invites your viewers to check out the product. For instance, you could write, "Learn to attract your soulmate. Check out this helpful guide." Make sure to pin the comment so that it remains visible to your viewers. With this product, you can earn up to $100 per sale. So, take advantage of the current trend for short-form content while it's still popular. With this type of channel, you can create similar videos by just changing the background and text. But if you want to get more creative, you can also take inspiration from other videos and see what works for you. If this approach doesn't appeal to you, you can also watch the video on the screen to explore other options. That's it for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.